Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate. If it is your first time here, I really appreciate. So in here I review wigs. The wig I will be revealing today is from Geniuswigs. Yeah, so it came in this pack here. You can see, I think their package, the box is black before. It's like they changed it, and I really like this color. Ooh, this blue. I love this color. Be creative and stylish. So let me open it with you guys to see. Okay, this is it in here. When you open the box, you see the wig is 22 inches and it's straight. Okay, see, Geniuswigs, all information about the wig is here. See this Geniuswigs crystal lace 13 by 4 lace front wig, straight 22 inches, 200 density. You see the color. So this is it. So guys, that's the wig I'll be installing today. Inside the box there is a dust bag. Ooh, I really love this color that they changed to. I so much love it because before I think their box, the color is black. I prefer this color. There's this dust bag inside. There is a wig cap, 2 pairs. There is a band, hairband, that is written Geniuswigs. All these are gift for you in case if you order. And there's this one, scarf here, edge brush, and a hair clip. Oh, there are a lot of gifts that came with it. Thank you so much, Geniuswigs. So let me bring the wig out for us to see. Let's see how the wig looks, because it's 22 inches and it's straight. There's a note inside. Let me see, there's a note inside. What's this? All right, it's about the wig. Everything about the wig. That's what is in here. So guys, this is the wig. You see the color is so beautiful, so lovely. You guys know I love this color of wig. Oh, is this 22 inches? It looks so long. Wow, let me stand up for you guys to see this. Guys, look at this, 22 inches. This is so long. Wow, this 22 is very, 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 very long. Let me remove this paper. So guys, see the hairline. You see this? This is great. I don't know if you guys can see it well. And the lace came bleached. They bleached the knots of the wig already. You guys can see. And came center part. Wow, the hair is so silky. You see the way it's shining. There's no shedding. And it doesn't tangle. This is lovely. Wow, this is lovely. I'll put it on my head for you guys to really see the hairline very well. See this. This is beautiful. And inside there is a detachable adjustable strap. You see this? It has 3 hooks, so you can hook it wherever you want, depend on the size of your head. Then it came also with inbuilt adjustable strap, which is this one you're seeing right here. See, this one. There are some combs, and the lace came bleached. The knots of the wig came bleached. I like that they twist the hairline. You guys know I'm lazy when it comes to that. So if you're like me, this is life-saving. So we're going to install the wig like this. Okay, we don't need to waste our time. I like when the wig is just pop on and go. You guys know I like that because I'm that lazy girl when it comes to installing of wigs. I'm not a professional, so I try my best to like install it the way it pleases me, and let me zoom, the way it pleases me, and very, very fast. I don't like wasting time. So let's comb this. See, wow, this combs so easily. No tangle, there is no tangle, guys. This is it on. You see the hairline. See, the lace is a little bit hard, but I don't think that will be a problem. See this, I think we're going to keep the center part, but you can create another part like side part or seat part, since the lace is a 13x4 lace wig. See it, so you can see the hairline. This is love, 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 lovely. Okay, I like the color of the hair. This is honey blonde, ombre honey blonde color. See, there is a little bit brown, and you see the root is brown, while this the normal hair is blonde. It's blonde. It's blonde. Okay, so I think we are going to leave it in center.
Way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself.
So you can coil this hair. If you don't want it straight, you can just coil it, make it wavy as you want. But I think I'm going to leave it straight because I like straight hair. I like when my hair is really straight. That's how I like it. So I will leave it straight the way it is. Even straighten it more. If you've been watching my videos, you know I don't like wasting time when it comes to installing my wigs. I install them very, very sharp, fast. So if you don't like wasting time while installing your wigs, just do like me.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
Really soft. See, I'm combing it with this tiny teeth comb, and see the way it's passing through it. So gorgeous. If you're interested in the hair, the link will be on the description box, the link to their website also. So check the description box in case if you are interested in getting this wig. I really love the wig. I like the texture, I like the softness, I like the color. I like that the lace, they bleach the knot. You guys know I like using styling gel to install my hair, so I'll use styling gel, pack it under. Normally I cut my wig before adding the styling gel, but today I just felt like doing it this way before cutting. Normally I cut the lace, the lace before adding the styling gel, but today I want to do it this way. I want to apply the styling gel before cutting the excess lace. And in case if you're new, you don't know why I use styling gel, because I always say that my hair, I don't keep my hair for long. Sometimes after the video I just remove the wig, so I don't bother myself to apply glue, because the glue will last more than the gel, if that makes sense. So but if you use styling gel, the styling gel can still last for like 24 hours. Okay, so if you are that type that doesn't like sleeping with your wig on, I advise you use styling gel.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
So I'll blow it to dry. Just dry it down. You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now. You see it. You see this, so lovely. So this is the final look.
Fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination.
So guys, I will leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. The hair is so gorgeous, so soft, so lovely. I really like the hair. I love this hair so much. The way it's silky. Oh, I changed my pattern of today of installing the wig. So most of the parts I did not talk because I was concentrating. I'm going to leave music on those parts so that you guys just watch what I did. So that is it. It's from Geniuswigs and it's honey blonde, 22 inches. Is it 22? I think so. Let me check again. Yeah, it's 22 inches and the density is 200 density. Very long. You see this? When you see it, you think it's even 26 inches. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you like it here, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Ciao.